Hi YouTube family, it's Lakeisha Marie here, demonstrating how I make our moisture rich and strengthening deep conditioner. So stay tuned. Starting with phase A, we are mixing our water ingredients together. So these ingredients will need to be melted over a hot burner. I forgot to mention in the beginning that all of my ingredients are pre-measured out. I pre-measured them out before the video so that this video wouldn't be an hour long. It usually takes me about an hour to formulate 16 ounces of product. So I pre-measured everything just to make the video a little quicker. So that's why everything is measured out. Included in phase A is my hyaluronic acid serum. I will be mixing that into my phase A. Now that phase B, which is the oil phase, is all melted, I will be mixing that into phase A. The last phase, which is phase C, which contains our aloe vera juice and our preservative and our tea tree oil and peppermint essential oils that are a fragrance in our products. I'll be adding that to phase A and B, which is the last stage. Have to make sure my temperature is below 140 degrees Fahrenheit before I add in these ingredients. Give it a good mix with my stick blender, and we are almost done. And here's a finished product, nice creamy deep conditioner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And here's our finished packaging product, Paige Marie Moisture Rich and Strengthening Deep Conditioner, available on our website, www.pagemariellc.com. Head on over to grab your jar today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.